Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. Now this laptop is powered with the 11th gen Intel Core i5 processor, and it has an NVIDIA 3000 series graphics card. So really top of the line specs. Let's just go ahead and open it and see everything that you get inside the box. Alright, so I've opened up everything and I've unpacked everything from the box, and this is everything that you get inside the box when you buy this Acer Nitro 5. So as you can see, there's a Nitro 5 setup guide. You have a warranty. This is a warranty card. You get a 180 watt power brick, and you get a power cable, and you get the laptop itself. So this is the laptop itself. As you can see, it has an Acer logo, and it has some nice accents, some design accents right here. It's pretty smooth to the touch. Let me just open it up. So one thing I do notice immediately is that the screen goes back quite a way, not all the way 180, but it goes back quite a lot. So it'll be easy if you want to use it. Say if you're lying down and you want to use this, that's pretty neat. Let me tell you about this laptop. So this laptop is powered by an 11th gen Intel Core i5 11400H processor. That processor is paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. So that's a pretty good combination. This variant of the Nitro 5 that we have comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and you can actually upgrade that to 32 GB using two SODIMM modules inside the laptop. The display is a 15.6 inch IPS display. It's a full HD display, and it supports a refresh rate of 144 Hz. So that's pretty neat. As you can see, it says 144 Hz right there. And what else can I tell you about the laptop? Well, it offers dual M.2 support. So there's one HDD slot inside here, so you can add another HDD. It comes with a 256 GB NVMe SSD inside, and there's a 1 TB 2.5 inch HDD also. So it has a 256 GB NVMe SSD and a 1 TB hard drive. It features Acer Nitro Sense and Cool Boost. There's something called Killer Double Shot Pro. So these are all the features. There are dual fans with quad exhaust port. So let's see where the fans are. Let's turn it around. So there you go. So at the base right over here, you have all the fans, and you have exhaust ports at the back also. So let me just quickly go ahead and show you the ports. So on the left side of the laptop, these are, I'm assuming, are exhaust fans, a Kensington lock right here. You get an Ethernet port, you get two USB ports, you get your audio 3.5mm headphones jack out for your headphones. On the other side, you get an HDMI out, you get another USB port, and you get a Type-C or Thunderbolt or Type-C port. So this will offer faster transfer rates for your data. And at the back there's a power port. So it's neat that the power port is given at the back, because it's going to get pretty hot when you game on this laptop. What else can I tell you about the laptop? You put it down, let's open it up. So you get a decent keyboard with nice travel. As you can see, it has DirectX Ultra for immersive gaming audio, and I told you it has an HDMI port. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of this Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.